Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the LinkedIn application in your mobile, or you can go to linkedin.com if you prefer. Now we have to tap on the profile picture in the top left corner and simply go for this settings in the last option. We are here, you can see midway down is visibility. Tap on it. Now what you are going to do is the third option, edit your public profile. Tap on it and this will show essentially what other people will see when they Google your LinkedIn profile. At the bottom I can hit this edit visibility. You can see public, edit your custom URL, edit content. You can see all these options here. So all I have to do is you have to toggle this on or off. You can see your profile's public visibility. I can completely turn that off if I want it to be private. Also I can go down and fine tune it. I can choose whether the background photo, headline, website, summary, contributions. As you can see all these things, you can toggle these off one by one. If you want to hide the specific thing, you can do this, or you can do this as well. So if you want to completely hide, just simply toggle this off and all will be gone. If you want to specifically hide something, you have to toggle this specific thing off. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.